It's the extreme beauty factor. You know she's not an actor. Her content will leave you coming back for more, for more, for more, for more.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I don't know what happened to my footage when I did my eyes. I lost it, but I hope y'all guys enjoyed the video anyway. I'm gonna try to remember what I used and put it in the description box below, and y'all guys can kind of mimic if y'all want to what I did. Okay, all right, I'm getting off of here, and I hope y'all guys enjoyed the video. Love y'all.
Fix this broken heart now, baby. Yeah.
Hey, I had to pause my music so I can just talk to y'all for a minute. I talked about this in my latest vlog that I put up, the stuff that came in. This is Cover FX Radiant Start Tint Moisturizer, and I have the number 6, and I'm gonna try this for the first time with y'all. And I did get their Cover FX Power Play Foundation. I tried it in another video, and then I'm gonna use today, because I had got a sample of the Polite Society, the greatest last what is it? Of all time. And it's and this is black. So this I got the, and this stuff was not cheap, y'all. This thing was 20-some odd dollars. But yeah, but I like it. So this is right here. I had a sample of it, so I can throw this away because it wasn't no more. It's about gone. So I'm gonna use this. And the next one mascara that I'm getting next is my Superhero It's Cosmetic. I'm gonna get that next. Cause talking about bring your natural lashes out, your lashes will look like this. Okay? So that's the next one I'm gonna get. I'll let y'all guys know. So let me go ahead and get started because I don't have that many minutes. I got 21 minutes on this SD. It's the SD card. So hopefully I can get it done. If not, I'll be switching over to another SD card. Okay? So let me go ahead and get started because I have to be in church by 11, so it's 9:32. So I still got time. So let me go back and listen to my music.
So I won't let you into my galaxy. Man, thanks for the ride, but I wanna fly on my own. When the smoke clears into reality, I know it hurts, but I gotta leave. But I want you to know how I feel.
Hello guys, I'm back on here again. I just have a quick question. Let me know in the comment section below whether y'all guys are still interested in makeup content, you know, makeup tutorials as I'm doing right now. I mean, I don't mind putting it up, but I just want to know where y'all minds at, you know. I'm here to entertain. I'm just playing, y'all. But whatever God leads me to do, I will do. But I just want to know, y'all guys still interested in makeup tutorials? Yeah, I like doing them now. I do. But a lot of people are interested in more short form content, and some people are just interested in vlogs. You know, let me know where y'all are at, okay? And yeah, please like, share, and subscribe, and push the notification bell so you can get notified every time I put up a banging makeup tutorial like this. Love you guys. Until next time. trying to jump back on here again. I know I've been jumping in and out this video, but anyway, I realized what palette that I use. It's called the Smoky Tones eyeshadow palette that I got from the Dollar Tree. So yeah, that's where I found that. That's where my eye look came from. So if you want to go to your local Dollar Tree and get this actual palette, I'm getting ready to put it in the screen right now. So go check out your local Dollar Tree and check out that palette. I got another one too. I'll show you the makeup tutorial to that when I do it. But yeah, I found out what palette I use, but I couldn't find the footage. Okay. All right, guys, enjoy. Hey guys, one more thing. That lip liner, it came from the Dollar Tree as well. Yes, you can find some decent makeup in the Dollar Tree. You just got to know your makeup, and you got to know you know, the quality of whatever from the makeup brand. Okay, so yeah, I just want to come on here and tell you that I did get that lip liner from the makeup girl, I said the makeup from the Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna put the liner in here right now.
아직도 난 모르겠어 널 바라봐도 just caught in your love. 많이도 난 널 좋아했나봐. 힘들어 보여 옆에서 말했어. 한순간이었지 bittersweet to me night got me going crazy. Someone just tell me why 하듯이 내게서 더 멀어지지 마 baby you 오직 너만 baby you 사랑이 없어도 난 네 곁에 있고 싶어 난 아주 잘